Apple has done it again. They've released something revolutionary. At least that's what they want us to believe. But what's really new in the all-new M4 MacBook Air? More power, more features, or just more marketing hype? Let's break it down. Yes, Apple's ultra-thin MacBook Air just got a refresh. But before you get too excited, let's see what's actually changed. The new M4 chip powers this device, promising faster performance. But let's be honest, does it really make a huge difference compared to the M3? And here's the fun part. It now has the same power as an iPad, at the same price as an iPad. But hey, at least you get a keyboard included for free, so technically, that's a saving, right? The M4 MacBook Air is powerful, until it's not. While it handles everyday tasks smoothly, push it too hard and it slows down. Why? Because Apple refuses to add a fan in this Air model. So yes, if you're doing intensive video editing, it might heat up and throttle, meaning it'll slow down to cool itself, but don't worry, you won't hear it struggling, because there's no fan noise at all. Silent suffering. Remember when MacBooks had an SD card slot? Well, Apple remembers, and they've decided to keep it as a $600 upgrade. Yes, you heard that right. Innovation at its finest. We move forward in chips, but backward in ports. But wait, there's one update that Apple is really proud of. It now comes in blue. Yes, because when there's nothing truly new, just add a new color and call it innovation. Well done, R&D team. You can take the rest of the year off. And here's a shocker. This model is actually $100 cheaper than last year's. But wait, does that mean Apple is finally being generous? Nope. They probably just found another way to cut costs elsewhere. Maybe next year they'll remove the charging cable too. Speaking of confusing decisions, Apple also announced a new Mac Studio with the M4 Max chip. And if you want more power, just pay double for the M4 Ultra. Oh wait, scratch that, it's actually an M3 Ultra. That's right, instead of using two new M4 Max chips, they just reused last year's Ultra chip. Genius move, Apple. Genius! So, should you buy the new M4 MacBook Air? If you need a light, portable, and silent laptop for everyday tasks, it's a solid choice. But if you're expecting a true game changer, this update might feel underwhelming. And if you're still waiting for real innovation, maybe check back in a few years. That's it for today's breakdown of Apple's biggest update. What do you think about the new M4 MacBook Air? Is it worth the upgrade or just another gimmick? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to @DigiGanHub for more tech updates, insights, and honest reviews. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the digital world.